looking for a word or phrase that conveys the modification of something in a certain way. We have a piece of software that takes client-provided data and processes it. A lot of times our client's data will fail because the data in a particular field is either too long or missing altogether. We're creating a system that will truncate the field value if it's too long or infer the value if it's missing. The data may still fail validation at some later point, but we don't want the data to fail because it's too long or missing. This will be done before anything else is done to that data. I'm trying to think of a name for the new system that will represent what we're doing. I don't want to name it something like ModifiField because we modify the data for other reasons as well. To be more specific, I'm looking for something that can serve as a method or class name in the code.
Why not consider the synonyms of modify, such as adjust or adapt, as in AdjustedField or AdaptedField?
I have statistical engines that have sort of similar fields. It seems that the database world has taken to the word normalization, for example, such as yours. Used in the context, it seems to make sense, but it isn't exactly right. Well, not at all if you understand database normalization. Another term that we use, which I guess is more antiquated, yet still used and far more accurate, is standardization. Formatted works too in some cases. This would imply that you have very specific rules that are triggered. Note, actually updating a stats table in our reporting database and forgot we have a sanitized filter running. There is a bonus word.
If you are allowed a little humor at work, you could try transmogrify or transmogrified. While transmogrify is a real word, I remember it best from the Calvin and Hobbes cartoons of the 1980s.
He wants to